everyone, I am Arya Jain from SGS ITS Indore. Today we will learn about data structures. In data structures, we will cover linked list. So, what is data structure? Data structure is a way or technique of organizing and storing data in computer's main memory for efficient use of data. Data structures are of two types, linear data structures and non-linear data structures. In linear data structures, we have contiguous memory allocations. It means we can store data in contiguous memory allocations, and in non-linear data structures we can store data in non-contiguous memory allocation. Linear data structures contains array, linked lists, stacks and queues, whereas non-linear data structures contains trees and graphs. So today we will learn about linked list. Now we will see why should we prefer linked list over an array. Here are two major drawbacks of array. First is static memory allocation. It means कि जब भी हम एरे को इनिशियलाइज करते हैं तो हम उसका साइज डिक्लेयर करते हैं कंपाइल टाइम पर. जैसे एक अरे है 3 एलिमेंट्स का और हमको 4 एलिमेंट्स का अरे चाहिए तो हम इस अरे को एक्सटेंड नहीं कर सकते. और सेकेंडली, इंसर्शन एंड डिलीशन इज इनएफिशिएंट इन अरे. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ वी हैव अरे ऑफ 6 एलिमेंट्स एंड वी हैव डेटा only of 4 elements, and now we have to insert the data on second index. So we have to right shift those two data here, then only we can insert the data on second index. And also if we have elements only 4 inserted in the array of size 6, and those two blocks which we previously allocated while initializing and declaring the size of array is wasted in arrays. Linked list. Linked list is our linear data structures in which we can store and access data in contiguous memory allocations. We represent our linked list by a node. Node consists of two parts. One is data and another is pointer. Data contains the data of the node and the pointer points to the address of the next node. It is so we can access the data from linked list. So suppose this is the next node and it has address 1000. So this node pointer will point to the address of the next node, and the last node contains the null pointer. It is a singly linked list. We will see advantages of linked list. First is insertion and deletion is efficient in linked list. तो ये एक linked list है, हमको एक node insert करना है at second position. So normally we have to break the links between these two nodes, and suppose this is the node we have to insert, and this node will point to the address of this node which we have to insert. So here instead of 200 this points to 400, and this link is broken and this link is formed, and the pointer of this node will point to the next node, that is like this. And suppose it has address 200, so it will point to 200. So by this we can insert a node. Now if we have to delete the node, suppose we have to delete this node which have address 200. So normally we have to point this pointer to the next node and break the link of this node. Here it store the address of next node which is 300, and we will free the memory of this node. As this we will delete a node from a linked list. Now second advantage is that it has dynamic memory allocations. Means हम अपने अकॉर्डिंगली नोड्स को इंसर्ट और डिलीट भी कर सकते हैं और उसकी साइज भी इंक्रीज और कम कर सकते हैं.